Hi everyone, welcome to
amazing channel of Brilliant Katha.
When you're rubbing one body with another body, electrons are transferred from one object to another object. Okay, this process, this type of electricity is been given a name.
halogen connected carbon sp3, then it's connected to benzene. See all of you, halogen connected. What is this carbon hybridization? Full single bond sp3, see then a benzene ring.
Denominator poles shouldn't be included in the denominator poles. That means the denominator, these -1 and -5 should never be included in the solution.
Homocircle caudal fin. It's giving two equal lobes. But in case of cartilage fishes, look at here, one big lobe is there, one small lobe is there. You cannot cut into two equal half this fin.
Brilliant Katha.
Good evening, dear students. Welcome to Master NEET DPP live sessions. Hope you are all joining. Yes, let us wait for a few minutes. Yes, hi Hisham. Good evening, good evening. Screen is not visible. Wait. I'll change the question. Is it fine right now, Hisham? Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah, okay, students, let us start. Okay, hope you all are seriously preparing for NEET exam. Practice maximum questions, as many as possible. Okay, at least 200 questions from each chapter you can practice. Okay, and seriously practice all the concepts based questions. Okay, and all the very best for your NEET exam. Okay, hope you all will crack the NEET exam very well this time. All the very best. Now we can start. See, today we have questions from basic concept chapter. That 10 questions we are going to solve. Question number 1, the number of moles of hydrogen molecules required to produce 20 moles of ammonia through Haber process. You know that one, formation of ammonia they are talking about through Haber process means, you know that one, the reaction we can write N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. So this is the balanced equation. So in this balanced equation, that asking the question to find the number of moles of hydrogen molecules. Okay, how many moles of hydrogen are required to produce 20 moles of ammonia? What the balanced equation says, you know that one, here it says 3 moles of H2 or hydrogen produces, it's an easy one, but it's a previous year NEET question. 3 moles of hydrogen produces is equal to 2 moles of NH3. This is what equation says. Then the question is quite easy. So they are asking to produce 20 moles. Then you know that one, here 20 moles of NH3 is required, means obviously we should provide 30 moles of hydrogen. Correct. So 30 moles of hydrogen can produce 20 because 3 moles will give 2 moles of ammonia. So answer is direct. So correct answer is 30 moles are required. Hope you all got the correct answer for this one. Yes, Magasri. Yeah, all are there. Yeah, correct answer. Yes, option is D. Fine. So right answer is D. Question number 2. See, second question, read the question, the density. Another one density based question. This is again the previous year NEET question. The density of 2 molar aqueous solution of NaOH is 1.28 gram per centimeter cube. Okay, the molality they are asking to calculate. How do you calculate molality of the solution given the molecular mass of NaOH? See, we have method to find out this one in different way. For competitive exam, better you can use the connecting equation. We have an equation 1 by small letter m is equal to d by cap letter m. That is molality, and this is molarity minus mb divided by 1000. We learned the same equation in solution chapter as well. So based on this one, what we can write is we can substitute the value. Molality they are asking to find out, that is small letter m, equal density they gave 1.28 divided by molar. 2 molar means molarity is 2 minus mb. mb has given, that is for the solute NaOH solution they are talking about. mb is the mass of solute. So 40 by 1000. So solve, 40 by 1000. Solve this one, then you will get the answer easily. So 1 by small letter m we can write it as, this one I can take the numerator as same. So it will be 1.228. So 1.28 by 100 divided by 1000 minus 40 by 1000 you will be getting. So here 1.28 into 128 into 5 will be 640, right? Yeah, 640 minus 40 divided by 1000 means quite easy, is equal to 600 divided by 1000. That means this is 1 by m. Then what is m? M is equal to 0 cancel, that is 10 by 6. 10 by 6 is 1.66, correct? So answer is so approximately equal to 1.67. Hope you got. So correct answer is option C. Yes, Hisham, right answer is yes. Magasri, yeah, correct one. Yes. Yeah, right answer is 1.67. Okay, so this type of question if they are asking, you can use the connecting equation. 1 by small letter m is equal to d by capital letter m. Molarity is this one and this is molality. Okay, they are asking to calculate molality. Now we will go to question number 3. So third one. See, again the previous year, in which case is number of molecules of water is maximum. You know that one, we have an equation for number of molecules. So number of molecules, what we can write is number of mole into Avogadro number, right? Number of mole into Avogadro number. So, but here they gave 18 ml of water. That is a different one. That one we have a logical relation, that is 18 ml. We know that one, that is 22400 milliliter, means 22.4 liter. 22400 milliliter is equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules for water at STP. We know that one. So wherever they are giving 18 ml means you can connect like this one. So what we can write over here, that 22400 milliliter, okay, of H2O is equal to that 6.022 into 10 power 23. So they are asking for 18 ml. So what we can write for 18 ml? 18 ml equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 divided by 22400 into 18. This much molecules are present in what? In 18 ml of water. So this is the first one. Okay, option A they are giving this one. So this is for option A. What about option B? Option B, 0.18 gram of water. So 0.18 gram, how we can write? It is number of mole into Avogadro number. What is number of mole given mass by molar mass? 0.18 divided by 18. No need to solve the value, just we need to compare. So 0.18 divided by 18 into 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules. Correct? So that is because n into Na. This is for B. So what about option C? Option C, what they are giving? 0.00224 liter of water vapors. Okay, so liter can be converted to milliliter. Okay, or you can take it as this one, same only. What we can write? 22.4 liter. So what we can write? 0.00224 liter means 0.00224 liter is equal to 6.022. Same like this one, but here they asked for milliliter, here the liter. 6.022 into 10 power 23 divided by 22.4 I will take because it's liter into 0.00224, correct? That much molecules. So this is for the option C. What about option D? See, option D, what we can write is 10 power minus 3 mole. So 10 power minus 3 mole means number of mole has given. Then what is molecule? 10 power minus 3 into 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules. So we will write directly. Okay. So we right now we have 4 values. You know that one. This is the one value and this is the second one. This is the third one. This is the fourth one. Compare which is the highest value. So they are asking maximum, right? Yeah. Maximum molecules of water. Yes. Kavisha, yes, correct answer is which one? The highest value is 6.022 into 10 power 23, numerator we have 18. So that is the highest value. Anyway, when we compare with the first and second, first one, this is the lesser value because here 0.00, then this one is the another very least value. So correct answer is option A. This is the maximum value or the highest. Okay, so right answer is which one? Option A. Hope you got. So that is the way. No need to solve it completely, just we have to compare the value. That type of question, number of molecule and number of atom based question you can expect from this chapter. So question number 4. 6.02 into 10 power 20. This is 10 power 20. Okay, so 10 power 20 molecules. 10 power 20 molecules of urea are present in 100 ml of the solution, the concentration of the solution. You know that one? Concentration of solution means they are asking to find molarity, moles per liter. Yes, Hisham. Yeah, right answer will be. So here what we can write is molarity. We have an equation. Molarity is equal to number of mole into 1000 divided by volume in milliliter. This equation we have, but number of moles we don't have, but that we have an equation. Number of mole equal to given number of particles, 6.02 into 10 power 20 divided by Avogadro number of particles, 6.022 into 10 power 23. Given number of particle when divided with the number Avogadro number of particle, that's called number of mole. 20, this one cancel. 10 power minus 3, correct? That 3 when comes to numerator. So I'll write over here 10 power minus 3 into 1000 can be written as 10 power 3 divided by volume is given. What is the volume? 100 ml. So 10 power 2. So when cancel this one, you know that one, 10 power 2 when comes to numerator, it is 10 power minus 2 equal to 0.01 molar over. So right answer is 0.01, not 001. Yeah. Correct option is D. Yes. So the right answer is 0.001 molar. Okay, so again the previous one, these type of equation you have to keep in mind: number of mole calculation, number of molecule calculation, molarity and density based molarity. That all concept related questions you have to keep in mind. So question number 5, when 22.4 liters of hydrogen, next one, when 22.4 liters of hydrogen is mixed with 11.2 liters of chlorine, okay, each at STP, all the volumes are at STP, the moles of HCl formed is equal to, you know that one, this question is based on limiting reagent as well. Stoichiometry is considering as well as, you know that one, this type of question you have to write the balanced equation. H2 plus Cl2 gives 2HCl. This is our equation. H2 plus Cl2 gives 2HCl. So what they are giving the volume 22.4. You know that one, here it is 1 mole. 1 mole is equal to 22.4 liter, no doubt. Then Cl2 they are telling but 11.2 liter. But according to the balanced equation, 22.4 liter require 22.4 liter of chlorine. Then you will be getting 2 into 22.4 liter of HCl. Okay, or in moles if you are writing 2 moles. So what the question they are asking? How many moles of HCl will form if 11.2? How the limiting reagent will work over here? You know that one, 11.2 means 11.2 liter of chlorine can take only 11.2 liter of hydrogen, which means this is the limiting reagent. So 11.2 liter can take only 11.2. So here we will be 11.2 liter. Here is 11.2 liter. That will produce double. Because 1 mole hydrogen, 1 more chlorine, 2 mole HCl. 11.2 liter, 11.2 liter will produce 22.4 liter of HCl. That means 1 mole. Okay, because this is 2 mole. 2 into 22.4 is 2 mole. It's given directly 2 mole. 11.2 liter if you are using 1 mole. So right answer is 1 mole of HCl. Correct option is A. Yes, right option is A. Yes, Hisham, Kavi, Magasri. Correct. Well done. Good. So, question number 6. Again, a previous year NEET question. So, this type of concept based you should understand. That's why we kept this type of question. Which one of the following has maximum number of atom? Okay, so maximum number of atom means, you know that one, number of atoms. We have an equation, number of atoms is equal to number of mole into Avogadro number, that is Na, into atomicity, that you keep in mind. So atomicity means how many atoms are present in a molecule. You know that one. Here we will be applying option A. What is the number of mole given? Number of mole we can find out like given mass by molar mass. Given mass is 1 divided by 108 is the atomic mass of silver. That is anyway given into Avogadro number. I will take it as Na itself because everywhere it will come Na. You know that one, for every metal atomicity is 1. What about option B? 1 gram of magnesium. Then I will write 1 by 24, right? Magnesium into Na. For every metal atomicity is 1. Then option C, 1 gram of O2, that is not a metal. Oxygen means 1 by 32. Oxygen mass is 32 into Na into 2 atomicity. That you keep in mind. Option D, D, 1 gram of lithium. That means 1 divided by atomic mass of lithium is 7 into Na into 1 atomicity. Here the highest value is which one? You know that one, denominator, the least denominator means maximum value will come, which means option D. So 1 by 108, 1 by 24, 1 by 32 into 2 is there, but still that value is less. 2 by 32, then 1 by 7. Okay, so into Na that will be equal. So then you know that one, the highest value will be 1 gram of lithium. Yes, who all gave the right answer? Yeah, well done. That is the correct one. So this time I think you got good mark from chemistry side, right? So question number 6 we did, 7th one. Question number 7. Yeah, again a previous year, but this one you have to do carefully. Suppose the elements X and Y combine to form two compounds, XY2 and X3Y2. When 0.1 mole of XY2 weighs 10 gram and 0.05 mole of X3Y2 weighs 9 gram, the atomic weight of, okay, atomic mass of these two elements we need to find out. Here I will give an easy method. That means here it's a normal equation only. Number of mole is equal to mass by molar mass, right, of a compound. Then what the compounds they are giving XY2 they gave, then another one is what, X3Y2. So I'll do for these two, then it will be easy. What XY2, what we can write, number of mole as given for XY2. What is the value? 0.1. So I'll substitute into this equation, then I'll write 0.1 is equal to, mass is given I think 10 gram. 10 divided by, what is the molar mass of this compound? We don't know the mass. So I'll write it as X plus 2Y. Means mass of X plus mass of, means 2 into mass of Y. That will be this one. This one when you write an equation, then we can write it like this one. X plus 2Y is equal to 10 by 0.1. That means I can write X plus 2Y is equal to 100. 10 power minus 1 when goes to numerator, this one. This one I will take it as equation number 1. Same way I will write for the X3Y2. There it is given number of mole as 0.05 is equal to, what is the mass given? 9. So 9 divided by the mass of this compound, how will you take? 3x plus 2y, correct? This again you can write it in equation form, 3x plus 2y. Okay, is equal to 9 divided by 0.05. 9 by 0.05 can be written as is equal to 9 divided by 5 into 10 power 2, right? 900 by 5 is 180. Yes. So 3x plus 2y is equal to 180. That is equation number 2. Now you know that one, 3x and x, then 2 by 2, it means y factor can be cancelled if you take equation number 2 minus equation number 1. So equation number 2 minus equation number y means 3x and x means 2x. Minus y and minus 2y and plus y, that will be 0. That is 2x is equal to 180 minus 100 is equal to 80, which means x is equal to 40. That means atomic mass of x we got. X equal to 40 means y you can easily find out because here there is an equation. X is 40. 40 is equal to 2y equal to 100 minus 40, which means 2y is equal to 60, then y is equal to 30. Okay, so x is equal to 40, y equal to 30, atomic masses we got. So yeah, correct option is, first one is 40, right? X is 40, x and y they are respectively, yes, 40 and 30. So hope you got, yeah, right answer is Diya, yes, good. So correct answer is 40, 30. Question number 8. So question number 8 is 4.28 gram of sodium hydroxide is dissolved in water and the solution is made to 250 centimeter cube. See, 250 centimeter cube is equal to 250 milliliter. That you know that one. 1 centimeter cube equal to 1 milliliter. What will be the molarity? So this one also a previous year question. Since molarity here we know that one, there is an equation, molarity is equal to WB into 1000 divided by MB into volume in milliliter. So we need to substitute the value, that's it. What is the mass of this solute given? NaOH is the solute. 4.28 into 1000 divided by molar mass of sodium hydroxide. That all you can remember, okay? So many compounds, molar mass you have to remember. Sodium hydroxide is equal to 40. I think in previous question also they gave, okay? H2SO4 is equal to 98. CaCO3 is equal to 100. That all you remember, okay? Then this one, sugar and all you can remember. C12H22 O11 is equal to 342. These only they will ask. C6H12O6 is equal to 180. That all you remember, okay? So that all are important. Then you know that one here molar mass is 40 into volume is given 250. So here you can cut the value. So 1250 will be 4 and yeah, that 4 and this one will be 10. So 4.28 divided by 10 is equal to what? 0.428 molar over. So which is the right option? Yeah, option is B. So 0.428. Yes, who all gave the right answer? Yeah, correct. So yeah, so right answer is 0.428. Okay, shall we go to the next one? Question number 9. Yeah, another one. This question is based on EF and MF. You know that one, empirical formula, molecular formula based question we did in class, and that type of question you can expect. See, this question they are asking 0.1 mole of a compound with empirical formula CHNO2 containing contains 0.3 gram hydrogen. See, they are telling that 0.1 mole of a compound contains equal to 0.3 gram hydrogen, correct? Which means 1 mole consists of how much? 1 mole consists of 3 gram hydrogen, correct? 0.1 mole consists of 0.3 means 1 mole consists of 3 gram hydrogen. Then you know that one, here it is easy. We have an equation for molecular formula. Molecular formula is equal to empirical formula into N, where N is the number of atoms. You know that one, 3 gram hydrogen. 3 gram hydrogen means it should contain 3 hydrogen atoms, because 1 hydrogen is 1 gram. So in the empirical formula, actually how many hydrogen atoms are there? Only 1 is there. That's why we are going to multiply with 3. So CHNO2 is the empirical formula that should be multiplied with 3, because 1 mole means molecular formula. Molecular formula should have 3 hydrogen. So if you are multiplying 3, it should be applicable for all the elements. So we will be getting C3H3N3O6. This is the empirical formula. Okay, so keep in mind where, yeah, C3H3N3O6. Yes, right option is C. This is the 9th one. That type empirical formula based one question you can expect. Question number 10. So this one, read the question carefully. 44.8 liter of dinitrogen reacted with the 22.4 liter of dioxygen and 44.8 liter of nitrous oxide, that means N2O, was formed. The reaction is given below. You know that one, we have few laws called the laws of chemical combination, that is law of conservation of mass, law of definite proportion, law of multiple proportion, even I taught law of reciprocal proportion, Gay-Lussac's law of gaseous volume, Avogadro's law. That based question, that multiple proportion and Gay-Lussac's law based questions they can ask. Here, see the best answer for this one is they 2N2 plus O2 gives 2N2O. Which law is being obeyed in this experiment? You know that one, the best answer is Gay-Lussac's law. Best answer in the sense, even law of definite proportion also will follow this one. First I will tell you why it is Gay-Lussac's law of gaseous volume. You know that one, 2N2 plus O2 gives 2N2. What is Gay-Lussac's law says that? Gay-Lussac's law can be applied for gaseous reaction. When gases combine together to form gaseous product, they follow a simple ratio between the volumes of reactants and products. For example, if 2 coefficient is taken as 2 liter, 2 liter of nitrogen combines with 1 liter of oxygen to form 2 liter of N2O. Means number of volume is directly proportional to number of mole. How many moles or molecules are present in this 2 and 2? Okay, that will be equal to this one. Whether it is a triatomic molecule or diatomic molecule doesn't matter. So for gaseous substance, the volume of 2N2 and volume of 2N2 is same. So there will be a simple ratio always followed. There won't be a multiple like 2 liter, 1 liter will give 3 liter, not like that. Because volume directly proportional to number of mole. Here how many molecules are there for that gaseous compound? Same molecule will be present in 2N2 as well. That law is called Gay-Lussac's law for gaseous reaction. So that is the best answer. Why we can say that best answer? Because law of definite proportion can also be followed, because you know that when 2 elements combine to form a compound, there exists a fixed ratio between the mass of nitrogen and oxygen. You know that one N2O is the compound formed from these 2 elements. You know that one nitrogen mass is 14, then it will be 28 is to 16. Okay, if you want you can simplify, then that mass ratio will be always followed. But the best answer in the sense here it's a gaseous reaction, then mainly this law of definite proportion is for a particular compound. That's why we are telling that this is the right answer or the best answer. So here the answer key given is A, Gay-Lussac's law of gaseous volume. Yes. Hope you got 10 questions we did. So practice more question. Okay. Take maximum effort and all the very best. So next physics session you can watch. Okay, bye bye, see you on next session.
Hi dears, welcome back to the live session. You had a great session with the chemistry. Now we'll do with physics. Okay, 2 topics. Last day we done all in the class. So a few more selected questions we are going to discuss in this session. 2 chapters, units of measurement and mechanical properties of solids. The recent scenario if you check, units of measurement we have 2 questions minimum, and solids 1 question we used to come. So few selected questions we are going to solve it. Okay, hope all of you are ready for this. So please solve with me and give me the correct answers. Okay, see you. Let's start. Question number 1 is from units of measurement. If F denotes force and T the time, then in equation F is equal to A T raised to minus 1 plus B T square. The dimensions of A and B. So you have to find the dimensions of A and B respectively are. You know, one of the most important principle in dimensions, principle of homogeneity. Is it? Each and every terms of the equation should have same dimension. Then only it is dimensionally correct. So we have this dimension of F should be same as that of dimension of A T raised to minus 1 and same as that of dimension of B T square. So we can have dimension of A T minus 1 will be equal to dimension of F. So A will be dimension of F by T raised to minus 1. So dimension of F is ML T raised to minus 2 we know by dimension of T raised to minus 1, that is T raised to power minus 1. If you take this one up, it will become ML T raised to minus 1 will be there. So this is for dimension of A. Check for A, yeah, only one option is there for A, ML T raised to minus 1. That's if you got the answer, but please check with B also. What will be for B? So for B, we get dimension of B will be equal to dimension of F by, here B into T square is there. So F by T square you do. So it will be ML T raised to minus 2 by T raised to 2. If this T raised to 2 you take the numerator, it will become T raised to minus 4. So it will be ML T raised to minus 4. Same answer is there. Option 4 is the correct answer. Okay, hope all of you got it. Hope all of you got it. That's one. So here 4 is the correct option is coming. Correct option is coming. The fourth one. Okay, let's go to the next question then. Given that y equal to a sine 2 pi by lambda ct minus x, where y and x are measured in meter, which of the following statement is true? Same concept only here also, the principle of homogeneity. Like this of many equations used to come. One frequent question used to be van der Waals equation in chemistry, pressure, volume, area, A and all. One another equation here, y is equal to. So here given y and x are in meters. This y and x is given in meters. You know, the term of sine, the argument of sine is an angle. It have no dimension. So here 2 pi by lambda into ct minus x should have no dimension. Already 2 pi have no dimension. Then ct minus x is there. X is in meters. So of course we have, this is in meters is there. So of course this also should be in meters because subtraction is coming, and that should be cancelled with the dimension of lambda. So we can say dimension of x by dimension of lambda should be nothing, should be cancel each other. So we can say it's like 0 you can put it. So there will be dimension of x should be that of dimension of lambda. So x is equal to lambda. Is it fine? So dimension of lambda is same as that of x. Sure. So this term okay. Then what is there? Sine have no dimension. Then y and a should have same dimension again. Is it? So y, x and a, these all have the same units will be there. Is that fine? Like this. So option 1 is the correct answer there. Option 1. Okay, you got it? Yes. Yeah, great. Yeah, Hisham got it. Angkor is, yeah, Magas is there, Kavi is there, yeah. Great. Let's go to the next question. So principle of homogeneity, one of the important term, you take care about it. Okay. Next question. The error. From dimensions, you know, one of the question used to come from dimension analysis and one error or significant figures and all. One error question, you can check it. The percentage errors in the measurement of length and time period of a simple pendulum are 1% and 2% respectively. So length and time period is 1% and 2% respectively. Then the maximum error in the measurement of acceleration due to gravity is. So we know acceleration due to gravity, length and time period is depend as t is equal to 2 pi root of L by g. The equation we have. If you rearrange this equation, you will get t square is equal to 4 pi square into L by g. So from this equation, g is equal to dimension, you can put it, rearrange it, will be dimension of L by t square. L by t square should have dimension of g. So percentage errors are given and percentage error in acceleration due to gravity you have to find out. Is it? So this will be dimensions. Percentage error in g is equal to percentage error in L plus, see, instead of division in a calculation you should add the percentage errors, and t power 2 is there, exponents comes, we discussed it already, you should multiply the power to this one. So 2 into percentage error in t, so that is 1 plus 2 into 2, that is 5%. Yeah, all of you got the correct answer? Few, yes again. Yeah, Kavi got it? Hisham? Is that okay? Yes, so answer goes to fourth answer. 5% is the correct answer. Okay, percentage error in addition and subtraction, product and division. In this all, how the errors is taken to the result. We have in addition and subtraction, the error in the result will be sum of the absolute errors in the individual quantities. In product and division, the percentage error in the result is equal to sum of the percentage error in the quantities. Is it? So addition and subtraction only take care about the absolute errors. Product and division, you have to take care about the percentage errors or relative errors also you can use it. Hope you got it. Let's go to the next question. A plate has length 5 plus or minus 0.1 centimeter and breadth 2 plus or minus 0.1 centimeter. So length is given, breadth is given. Then the area of the plate is, so a rectangular plate is, area A is equal to length into breadth. Okay, product is there. Now you have to express the area in terms of the error limit. Okay, so the area will have A plus or minus delta A. A plus or minus delta A. That is the way you have to represent it. A is the true value of the area and delta A is the error in the area. So true value of the area, we can get it just product of the true value, 5 into 2, that is 10. So true value is 10. Check all the answers, they have the true value 10. Now to find error, you have to use the concept of percentage error or relative error, so you can use it. So there we'll get the equation as relative error in the result or percentage error in the area, delta A by A will be equal to sum of the percentage error in the result. Okay, so that will be delta L by L, error in L divided by the true value of L, plus delta B by B in breadth into 100% will be percentage error, otherwise you keep it relative errors, is the fractions. We have A value is how much? 10 is there. So here delta A will be equal to, A you could take that 10 into delta L by L. Delta L is how much? 0.1 by 5 plus 10 you have to multiply this also into delta B by B, that is 0.01 by 2, that is equal to 10 by 5 is 2, 2 into 0.1 is 0.2 plus 10 by 2 is 5, 5 into 0.01 is 0.05, that is equal to 0.25. So that is delta A. So A is 10 and delta A is 0.25 is coming set. Now if you round it off, you can have 10 plus or minus 0.2 is the answer here. This is 0.01, 1 and 0.001 is there. So option A is the correct answer there. So to find this one, the rules for the addition, subtraction and product and division, you should be familiar about it. Hope you got it. Yes, good. Isham, got it. Kavi, yeah, good. Then let's go to the next question. Is from solids, mechanical properties of solids chapter we got to. Two pieces of wires A and B of the same material, so A, B and now same material, have their lengths in the ratio 1:2. So we have y1 equal to y2, y1 is equal to y2 is there, and length in the ratio L1 by L2 is equal to 1 by 2, and their diameters in the ratio 2:1. So D1 by D2 is 2:1. If they are stretched by the same force, so force also same there, F1 equal to F2, force on 1 is equal to force on 2. Their elongation will be in the ratio. What is the ratio of the elongation will be? So we have the equation y is equal to F into L by pi d square. Okay, so if you do diameter, it will be 4 times d square by 4 will be the radius into delta L will be. You have to find the ratio of the elongations. So delta L1 by delta L2 is equal to delta L1 by delta L2. So here in this equation, it will be F1 into L1 by pi and 4. If you divide it, cancel it down. So D1 square into Y1 whole divided by F2 L2 by D2 square into Y2. Similar terms you can cancel each other. See, y1 by 2 and f1 f2 are same. So this f1 f2 cancels. Reciprocity multiply now. So y1 y2 also cancels. Remaining will be delta L1 by delta L2 will be equal to, we can write, see, this reciprocal goes d2 by d1 the whole square into L1 by L2. We have L1 by L2 is how much? 1 by 2 is there. D1 by D2 is 2 by 1. So d2 by d1 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 square into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4 into 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 8. So option is, yeah, C is the correct answer. Very good. So third option is the correct one. C. 3 is the correct answer. 1 is to 2 is. So in this type of questions, Young's model is one of the most probable area in this chapter, mechanical properties of solids. Okay, so that equation, how to rearrange accordingly. Sometimes ratio will be given, sometimes percentage change will be given, then that ratio accordingly you have to utilize. Okay, next question, let's see. A wire of length L and radius R is fixed at one end and a force F is applied to the other end, produces an extension L. So the direct concept is given that L extension will be equal to F into L, the original length, divided by area is there. We have okay, F is given, radius R is given, so pi R square into Y. Okay, then the extension produced in another wire of the same material of length 2L and radius 2R by the force 2F is, so L dash, one another material half, that L dash you have to find out. In that same material is there, so Young's modulus is same, length is 2L, radius is 2R, force is 2F. So instead of F we put 2F into length is 2L by radius is 2R, so it will become pi into 2R square into same material is there, Y itself. So if you simplify this one, we have 2 into 2, 4 is there, so 4FL by pi into 2R square is there, 2 square is 4, so 4 times pi R square into Y. 4 cancels, so that is nothing but FL by pi R square Y only. So L dash will be equal to what? L. Option, correct answer is A, L itself, there is no change. All the quantities will get cancelled. So new extension on the other wire will be the same as that of the first wire, because force is doubled, length doubled, and radius also doubled. You take care, this 2R, the whole square you should write. Sometimes students used to make mistake there, 2 into R square will write, but it is 2R the whole square. Okay, fine. So 4 times and 4 cancels. Hope all of you got it. Yeah, great. Next, you got the correct, no? Yes, correct. It's A. Kavi got it. Next question, let's see. 4 wires, identical in all respects, are subjected to the same longitudinal stress. Their elongation is given in order below. Guess which one has the highest Young's modulus of elasticity. So all wires of same area of cross section is there, same force and everything is there. Okay, then elongation is given in the order below. Elongation, delta L value is given. We know Y is equal to stress by strain is there. Strain is delta L by L, so into L I am putting. So we can say delta L is inversely proportional to Y if there is the same longitudinal stress is there and length is same for all. Okay, then guess which one has the highest Young's modulus of elasticity. So if delta L is less, Y will be the largest. Young's modulus will be largest. See, out of this, which one is the least value you have to check. So 0.105, 152, 168, 177 is there in centimeters. So of course this is the least one that will have greatest Young's modulus. For if all quantities terms are constant, then Young's modulus is inversely proportional to elongation produced. Okay, yes, great. Option 1 is the correct answer. Okay, let's go for the next question. An iron rod of length 2 meter and cross-sectional area of 50 millimeter square is stretched by 0.5 millimeter. When a mass of 250 kilogram is hung from its lower end, Young's modulus of the iron rod is. So Young's modulus you have to find out. So mass is attached there. So Y is equal to mgl by pi r square into delta L is equation, normal equation. So M is given 250 kilogram. So it will be 250 into G 10 or 9.8. Check the answers. All are multiple of 9.8, 19.60. So you take 9.8 into L. The length is given 2 meters. That is 2 divided by 250 kilogram is a kilogram only by pi r square is the area. So cross section area is given there, 50 millimeter square is given, so that you have to make it to 50 millimeter square. You please make it to this 50 into 10 raised to minus 6, 50 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter square. Then stretched by 0.5 millimeter is the extension produced, so it will be 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 millimeter to meter. You have to confirm delta L. Fine, just substitute, that's all. See here, 10 raised to minus 6 is there, minus 3 is there, that is minus 9. Then 250 into 2, if you just cut short it, will become this, and this cancels. Okay, 5 into 5 is 25, 25 and 250 cancel, 10 is coming there. Minus 6 minus 3, that is 10 raised to minus 9. You take it up, 10 raised to 9 is coming. Okay, 10 raised to 1 and 10 raised to 9 is there. Then 2 into 10.8, that is 19.6. So 19.6 into 10 raised to 10 is the correct answer. So option 4 is the correct answer. Is it? So just substitution only, but take care about the units. Squaring and multiplication all. Millimeter to meter, 10 raised to minus 3. Millimeter square to meter square, 10 raised to minus 6 is there. Is that okay? Hope you got it. Clear. Okay. So, last one of the question. The bulk modulus of a fluid is inversely proportional to bulk modulus equation. You know, B is equal to minus P into V by delta V, the bulk modulus. Okay, so it is inversely proportional to change in pressure, volume of fluid, change in volume and density. So direct question only, it is change in volume as the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Okay, fine. So here we have these questions, few selected questions to be done. So please practice more on it. You have home assignment section with your material. Hope you will be doing well. Any doubt, is there, you can send it. Always we are ready. So thank you for watching. See you next session.